Discover how ChatGPT is revolutionizing communication, learning, and gaming, and the ethical questions it raises. Get ready to explore the future of the metaverse. Are you ready to take your interactions with the metaverse to the next level? ChatGPT is changing the way we communicate, from introducing customer service and immersive learning processes, but with this new technology is coming ethical questions, like how do we ensure data privacy and create a secure virtual environment? Stick around as we explore ChatGPT and the ethical implications of the technology it provides. Subscribe to AI Topia and stay tuned as we explore ChatGPT and the ethical implications of this technology. Don't miss out on the latest technology and insights and updates. The metaverse is an exciting new technology that lets us do things that were impossible in the real world, like virtual social gatherings and visiting digital worlds with simulated characters. It's advancing quickly, and we can explore new possibilities for communication, entertainment, and even business opportunities. But with these advancements come some issues, like questions about privacy and data security. What's more important now is whether ChatGPT can add value to the metaverse while still following safety standards set up by authorities. How will ChatGPT affect user interaction in these digital environments? ChatGPT is an AI system that can understand and respond faster than a human. It's equipped with advanced natural language processing technology, making it especially useful in the metaverse, where real-time communication between users can be complex. ChatGPT provides a fast response time and the ability to simulate conversations, giving us new opportunities for engagement that weren't available before. But with this comes new considerations. How do we protect user data privacy while also taking advantage of all the potential benefits? This kind of increased awareness and security issues could lead us to set standards across applications and platforms in these digital spaces, so everyone can enjoy their experience safely and securely. What role should altruism play when developing software tools like chatbots used in virtual environments like the metaverse? ChatGPT can help businesses in the metaverse create better customer experiences. It can simulate conversations and understand questions, giving customers a more natural experience when interacting with virtual representatives or companies of brands. Businesses can use ChatGPT technology as part of their self-service system that helps shoppers navigate digital marketplaces and virtual stores, providing customized help wherever needed. By using ChatGPT's AI capabilities, organizations can automate service processes tailored to their business needs within a metaverse context. Using this kind of AI tool can bring many potential benefits, but it's important to consider how it could impact an organization's long-term strategy. What do you think are the potential risks and opportunities of using ChatGPT's AI capabilities for business in the metaverse? ChatGPT can help you create a more interactive and dynamic experience in the metaverse. It uses advanced natural language processing to let you have conversations with virtual characters so you can still feel like you're part of the community even when you're not there in person. It also helps businesses communicate with customers and employees more quickly and easily. It responds to preset parameters so customer service interactions don't need as much manual work from ticketing systems or emailing back and forth. That saves time now that can be used to build a stronger online community in the metaverse. But this technology raises some ethical questions. How do we make sure AI systems are used responsibly while still getting the convenience they offer? ChatGPT has the potential to simulate conversations, making it a great tool for virtual education. It can create engaging lesson plans and interactive tutorials that give students an immersive learning experience which traditional methods can't provide. For example, renowned instructors or famous speakers can be available virtually through ChatGPT at any time without having to travel anywhere physically. Thanks to the natural language processing capabilities, learners don't need to be tech savvy, like they can just talk to it like it was another person. They can ask anything from basic game mechanics queries to expert level predictive analysis questions and more. This type of AI enhanced teaching makes educational content easily accessible and understandable no matter where someone is located on Earth. As long as you have internet connectivity, this world can be your classroom. But when using technology like this, a key question remains. What learning styles do people prefer when interacting with digital metaverse environments? ChatGPT can help you communicate and collaborate better in the metaverse. You can have real-time conversations with virtual characters so businesses and organizations can get quick feedback for teams in different places to work together remotely, which can save money on travel costs. It can even be used in video games, giving players a more engaging experience with smarter AI opponents offering new challenges each time you play. But ChatGPT's potential goes beyond business and leisure. The natural language processing technology can open up new possibilities, like in education. But how do we make sure these tools are used ethically? What steps can be taken to ensure that ChatGPT technology is used ethically? ChatGPT is revolutionizing the way that we interact with the metaverse. From virtual education systems to AI-enhanced video games, ChatGPT has made it easier for people to engage and collaborate in digital environments. It's also opened up lots of opportunities for businesses, allowing them to deliver services more efficiently with automated customer service support or provide personalized experiences tailored to customer needs. But with this widespread use of technology comes responsibility. We need to be aware of both the potential benefits and the potential risks, like protecting user data privacy while still taking advantage of new technologies like natural language processing. If organizations want to be successful in the metaverse, they need to make sure they're doing so in a socially responsible way. ChatGPT is making a huge impact in the metaverse, enabling real-time conversation, natural interactions between users and digital entities, remote collaboration platforms for teams in different places, and faster customer service support systems without manual operations. All of this makes ChatGPT an essential part of what powers the metaverse today. With advanced technology like the natural language processing capabilities allowing it to generate text in various styles or formats and simulate conversations with virtual characters that provide immersive learning experiences from anywhere on Earth at any given time, it's no wonder why this system will always be a key weapon used by organizations as they develop their own metaverse services further down the line in the years to come. As these sophisticated processes become more and more ingrained in our everyday lives due to technological advancement, what measures can developers take now to safeguard user data privacy while still taking advantage of the convenience that products like AI tools may offer? What makes ChatGPT so unique and unlike the other AI programs would also influence the metaverse? ChatGPT's unique natural language processing capabilities set it apart from other platforms and make it an essential tool in the metaverse. ChatGPT can understand and generate text in various styles and formats, including natural language, making it easier for users to interact with virtual entities and environments. This capability enables more natural and intuitive communication and collaboration between users, making virtual interactions more engaging and effective. Additionally, ChatGPT's vast knowledge base and ability to answer a wide range of questions makes it an ideal virtual assistant and customer service representative, providing immediate support and assistance to users. Furthermore, ChatGPT's ability to generate text in different languages makes it a valuable tool for fostering cross-cultural communication and understanding within the metaverse. Overall, ChatGPT's unique features make it an integral part of the metaverse, enhancing the user experience and driving innovation and growth in the virtual world. The rise of ChatGPT is an exciting development for the metaverse and its users. From virtual education to efficient business practices, this technology provides us with innovative solutions that makes our lives easier in a digital environment. We now have powerful tools at our fingertips, enabling us to communicate more easily, learn more effectively, and explore new possibilities together as part of a community without physical boundaries holding us back. All thanks to advances made possible by ChatGPT's natural language processing capabilities. ChatGPT has already changed things drastically, but what kind of impact will it have on social interaction when integrated into different platforms? How else could ChatGPT be used beyond just providing helpful services within a metaverse context? These are important questions we need to answer if we want to keep security standards high while innovating with AI-powered systems like chatbots. Who knows what the future holds? ChatGPT is revolutionizing the way people interact within the metaverse. With advanced natural language processing capabilities, it's enabling conversations with virtual characters, remote collaboration, and automated customer service. It can be used for virtual education and video games, giving users an immersive experience. While ChatGPT offers many potential benefits, there are still questions to be answered about how it can be used responsibly and ethically. It's up to developers to make sure that the user privacy they have is protected, while still taking advantage of this powerful technology and ensuring data is kept safe. Do you want to learn more about how to make your conversations with ChatGPT more engaging and productive? In our next video, we're going to explore the various ways that you can improve your conversations with ChatGPT and make the most out of this technology. Don't miss out. Watch the video now and learn more about how you can make the most of ChatGPT and ChatGPT technology.